Good morning, children. Welcome back to Max online class. Today we are going to discuss about the Unit 7 fractions. Children, open your textbooks, page number 131. To discuss about the new chapter, Unit 7 fractions. See here, children, look at this picture. Yes, the given square is divided into 6 equal parts. Here, how many parts are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many parts are there? 6 equal parts. See here, 1 by 6 are there, no? 6 is the equal parts. Each part is 1/6 of the whole square. Here each part is how much? Is 1/6 of the whole square. Now we are going to discuss about the fractions. What is meant by fractions, children? Yes, a fraction is a part of a whole. A fraction is a part of a whole. See here the example. 3 by 4. This is the fraction. Here two parts are there, no? This is the numerator and this is the denominator. What is the 3 is called? 3 is the above the line, no? Yes, this is the numerator. And 4 is the, what is this, children? Yes, this is the denominator. Below the line is called the denominator and above the line is called the numerator. In the fractions, we have so many parts are there. First one is like fraction. And the second one is unlike fraction. And its third one is proper fraction. And next fourth one is improper fraction. Improper fraction. And next last one, fifth one is mixed fraction. Mixed fraction. See here, children, how many fractions are there here? Yes, like fraction, unlike fraction, proper fraction, improper fraction, and last one is mixed fraction. Now we are going to, first one is like fraction. Now we are going to discuss about the like fraction. What is meant by like fraction, children? Now like fractions. What is the first one, children? Like fractions. See the definition. Fraction which are having the same denominator are called like fractions. What is the like fractions? Having the same denominators. See here the example, having the same, what is this? Denominator. 1 by 4, 2 by 4. Next 3 by 4. Here see the denominators. What are the denominators here? 4. Here also 4. Here also 4. What is the rule here? The same denominator. Here are the same denominators. No? These are the example of which one? Is like fraction. Now see one more example. 2 by 10. 3 by 10. 4 by 10. 5 by 10. 6 by 10. 7 by 10. Here see the denominators. What is the number here? 10 is there. And all denominators are same. And these numbers are all same. Like fraction అంటే ఏముండాలి? డినామినేటర్ లో కింద నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి కదా? ఎస్, ఈ డినామినేటర్ లో సేమ్ నెంబర్స్ ఉన్నాయి అనుకోండి. ఈ పార్ట్ మొత్తాన్ని ఏమంటారు? లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అంటారు. See again, fraction which are having the same denominator are called the like fraction. These are the examples of like fraction and the denominator is same. Here also same. Next, second one, unlike fractions. What is the second one, children? Unlike fractions. See the definition here. Fraction which are having different denominator are called unlike fraction. See here, different denominator. Now see the example. 4 by 5, 5 by 6, 7 by 8, 10 by 15. See here, what are the denominators here? Here is the 5, here 6, here 8 and here is a 15. Their denominators are different. Denominators are different are called unlike fraction. డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉంటాయి కదా ఇక్కడ డినామినేటర్స్, డిఫరెంట్ గా ఉన్న వాటిని ఏమంటారు? అన్లైక్ ఫ్రాక్షన్స్. నెక్స్ట్ see here children, what are the denominator here? The first one is 4 by 2, 4 by 6, 5 by 7, 10 by 12, 4 by 5. Here also the denominators are different. So this example is also this example belongs to which one? Like fraction or unlike fraction? Yes, like unlike fraction. Why? Because the denominators are different. Here also the denominators are different. Now see children, unlike fraction means, what is unlike fraction? Fraction which are having different denominators are called unlike fraction. Different denominator is there means that fraction is called the unlike fraction. Next, third one is proper fraction. See the definition. A fraction in which the numerator is lesser than the denominator. What is the fraction? A fraction in which the numerator is less than the denominator. Numerator is lesser than the denominator. అంటే న్యూమరేటర్ లో ఉన్న నెంబర్ డినామినేటర్ లో ఉన్న నెంబర్ కన్నా ఎలా ఉండాలి? చిన్నగా ఉండాలి. ఈస్ కాల్డ్ ఏ ప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. See the example children. Numerator is smaller than the denominator. No? Is 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 4 by 5, 10 by 18. See here children, 1 by 2. The denominator is big number and the numerator is small number. See the rule, numerator is lesser than the denominator. No, yes. Here numerator is lesser than the denominator. Here also numerator is lesser than the denominator. Here also same like that only, 4 by 5, 10 by 18. See here, this is the numerator and this is the denominator. Here numerator is small number and denominator is big number. Here also this is numerator and this is denominator. Numerator and this one is denominator. Numerator and this one is denominator. Here numerator is smaller number than the which one? Denominator. Yes. Improper fraction. Now we are going to discuss about the improper fraction. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. See here, numerator is greater than the denominator is called a improper fraction. Improper fraction means what? Numerator is greater than the denominator. See here children, 4 by 2, 10 by 5, 20 by 10, 30 by 2, 40 by 20. See here, numerator number is greater number and the denominator number is smaller number. Here 4 by 2. This is an improper fraction. Here see 10 by 5. 10 by 5 also, 10 is a numerator and 10 is a greater number than the denominator number. And 20 is a greater number than the denominator. 30 by 2, 40 by 20. Improper fraction అంటే ఏంటమ్మా? న్యూమరేటర్ లో ఉన్న నెంబర్ కన్నా డినామినేటర్ లో ఉండే నెంబర్ ఎలా ఉండాలి? ఎస్, స్మాలర్ నెంబర్ గా ఉండాలి. న్యూమరేటర్ లో ఉండే నెంబర్ గ్రేటర్ గా ఉండాలి. డినామినేటర్ లో ఉండే నెంబర్ ఎలా ఉండాలి? స్మాలర్ గా ఉండాలి. అప్పుడే ఈ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఏమవుతుంది? ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అవుతుంది. ఇక్కడ నేను ఒక నెంబర్ రాస్తాను. నౌ టెల్ దిస్ ఇస్ ఎ ప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ ఆర్ ఇంప్రాపర్ ఫ్రాక్షన్. Here 4 by 1. This is proper fraction or improper fraction? Yes, this is a improper fraction. Now fifth one, mixed fraction. Now we are going to discuss about mixed fraction. A mixed fraction consists of a whole number and a fraction. How the mixed fraction was? Yes, mixed fraction consists of a whole numbers. First one is whole number and a fraction. See here, 2, 1 by 4. This is the whole number and this is the fraction. Okay, total this is called the mixed fraction. Now see 3, 1 by 5. Here 3 is the whole number and 1 by 5 is the fraction. Total 3, 1 by 5 is the mixed fraction. Now see children. These are the examples of the mixed fraction. 4, 1 by 8, 5, 4 by 5, 10, 2 by 10. One whole number and again a fraction. Both consist of mixed fraction. Children, equivalent fractions. 1 by 2 equals to 2 by 4 equal to 3 by 6 equal to 5 by 10. Equivalent fractions are obtained by either multiplying or dividing the numerator and denominator by the same number. Here how it was multiplied and divided by numerator and denominator by the same number. Here we have to multiply the numerator denominator by the which number? Same number. The value of a fraction does not change, but the value is not change when the numerator and the denominator are either multiplied or divided by the same number. If we multiply or divide the numbers, numerator or denominator, the value doesn't change. See here, the value of the fraction does not change. See here children, 1 by 2 equals to 2 by 4. No, how it was in 2 and 4. In which table 2 and 4 will divisible? Yes, in 2 table 2 and 4 is there. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So here 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 only. Now once see here, we are going to discuss about the next one. New one, this is equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction. See here, equivalent fraction have the same value even though they may look different. See here, even though they may look different. See the example, it is very clear. 1 by 2 equals to, now see, 2 by 4 equals to 3 by 6 equal to 4 by 8. See children, 1 by 2 equal to 2 by 4. Why? Because I wrote like this means, see here, 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. Again what is this number? 1 by 2 only. So 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2 only. Here also see, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6. 1 by 2. Here also see, 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. The numbers are different but the calculation is same here. 1 by 2 equals to 1 by 2, 1 by 2, here also 1 by 2. But what I wrote here, 1 by 2 equals to 2 by 4 equals to 3 by 6 equals to 4 by 8. Here, this is table. See here, 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4. Here 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8. ఈక్వివాలెంట్ ఫ్రాక్షన్ అంటే ఏంటి అంటే ఏ నెంబర్స్ మనం ఇలా రాసినా కానీ ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఒక నెంబర్ ఉంటుంది కదా, దానికి ఈక్వల్ అవ్వాలి. చూడండి ఇప్పుడు మనం క్యాన్సిల్ చేసాం అనుకోండి, ఏమొస్తుంది ఇక్కడ 1 by 2నే వస్తుంది. ఇక్కడ కూడా దీన్ని క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే ఎంత వస్తుంది? 1 by 2. హియర్ ఆల్సో 1 by 2. అంటే మనకి ఈక్వల్గా ఎందుకు రాసాము అంటే ఫస్ట్ వస్తుంది కదా ఇక్కడ 1 by 2 అనే నెంబర్, సేమ్ ఆ నెంబర్ కూడా ఇక్కడ వరకు అదే వస్తుంది క్యాలిక్యులేషన్ చేస్తే. అలా క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేసే నెంబర్స్ ఏమంటాము? Equivalent fraction అంటాం. Okay children, now open your textbook page number 132. In that sums are there, no? Yes, now we are going to discuss that sums. Page number 132. Now see children, first one, shade these shapes to show the fraction. What we have to do here? We have to shade the shapes. Here what is the fraction here? 1 by 4. 1 by 4. How many parts are there here children? 1, 2, 3, 4. No? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts are there. We have to write this 4 in denominator. How many parts we have to shade? Only 1 part. Numerator lo ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే ఉంటుందో అన్ని పార్ట్స్ మనం షేడ్ చేయాలి అని. ఏదైనా షేడ్ చేయొచ్చు కానీ అన్ని పార్ట్స్ ని షేడ్ చేయాలి. See here, how many parts are there? Only 1 part we have to shade. We have to shade only 1 part. So what is this fraction? 1 by 4. See here, 1 by 4. Shade these shapes to show the fraction. we have to shade this shape to show the fraction. ఈ fraction కి ఈక్వల్ చేయడానికి ఇక్కడ మనం షేడ్ చేయాలి. Now see the second one. How many boxes are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many are there? 8 is in denominator. How many parts we have to shade, children, here? S. 5. Here numerator, what is the number? 5 is there now. 5 parts we have to shade here. See here. 1, 2, this one 3, 4, and again here 5. 5 parts we have to shade to equal this fraction. What is this number? 5 by 8. How many parts are there, children, here? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Total how many? 8 parts are there. How many parts we have to shade? The numerator number is 5 now. That's why we have to shade the 5 parts. Next, second one. Name the numerator and denominator in the fraction. This is the fraction. We have to find out the numerator and denominator. See here, children, what is the fraction number? 10. 5 by 12. Here, what is the numerator and what is the denominator numbers? S. 5 is the numerator and 12 is the denominator. What is the question? See one more. Name the numerator and denominator in the fraction 5 by 12. See here the solution. 5 is the numerator and 12 is the denominator. See here, children, one more example. This is not there in textbook. Just I am giving 6 by 10. 6 by 10. Here what is the numerator and what is the denominator? Yes, 6 is the numerator and 10 is the denominator. Now see the third one. Circle the proper fraction. What is meant by proper fraction, children? Tell the proper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is lesser than the denominator. Okay? Numerator is lesser than the denominator. Among these numbers, which is the proper fraction? Tell, children, which is the proper fraction? Numerator number small ga undali, denominator number big number undali. Ala unna number proper fraction kada. Chudandi, among these numbers, which is the proper fraction number? 5 by 9 is a proper fraction. Why? Because numerator is lesser than the denominator. And next 13 by 8 is a improper. Why? Because here numerator number is bigger number. Here numerator number is smaller number. 2 by 7 is a proper fraction. See here again, among these three numbers, which is the proper fraction number? S. 3 by 8 is the proper fraction. Why? Because numerator is lesser than the denominator. Okay? Here 5 by 9, 2 by 7, 3 by 8 are the proper fractions. Next, see fourth one. Circle the improper fraction. What we have to circle here? Improper fraction we have to circle. What is meant by improper fraction? S. A fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator is greater than the denominator. Numerator number greater number undali. Denominator number smaller number undali. See here, among these numbers, which is the proper fraction number? Tell me, children. S. 7 by 3. Here numerator is great number and this is a smaller number. Next, here 5 by 2. Again next, children. 20 by 70. These are the improper numbers, improper fractions. 7 by 3, 5 by 2, 20 by 17 are the improper fractions. Next, fifth one. Write 3 proper fractions with denominator. Which one? Yes, 11. Write 3 proper fractions. We have to write 3 proper fractions. the number 11, by using the denominator number 11. See here which number they gave in denominator? S. 11. See the solution. The denominator number is 11. Improper fraction means numerator number is smaller number, no? S. See 1. Next 2 by 11. 3 by 11. Here the denominator is only 11. We have to change only the numerator numbers. Denominator lo ichina number kanna small numbers emaina rayochu. Okay children, 1 by 11, 2 by 11, 3 by 11, 8 by 11 are the three proper fractions with denominator 11. Now see the sixth one. Write three improper fractions with numerator 15. What is the numerator number here? S. Numerator number is 15. Write three improper fractions. How many fractions we have write? Three improper fractions by using the numerator number 15. 15 kanna small numbers cheppandamma ikkada. S. 5. 15 by 6. 15 by 7. These are the improper fractions by using which number? 15. Write three improper fractions with numerator is 15. Here we wrote numerator 15 and only we have to change the denominator numbers smaller than the 15. Next, seventh one. Write three equivalent fractions for each of the following. Here are the fractions. We have to write the equivalent fractions. 3 by 5. Okay, now see children. 3 by 5. By using by 3 by 5, we have to write the equivalent fraction. See here. 3 by 5 equals to 6 by 10. 6 by 10 equals to, next see children, 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Next, 3 3s are how much? 9. 5 3s are 15. Next, 3 4s are 12. 5 4s are 20. Children see here, ఇక్కడ ఫస్ట్ ఏ నెంబర్ అయితే ఇస్తారో ఆ నెంబర్ని ఏం చేయాలి? టేబుల్ ఉంటుంది తెలుసా, మీ అందరికి టేబుల్స్ తెలుసు కదా, ఆ టేబుల్స్ని ఈక్వల్ టు చేసుకుంటూ రాయడమే. చూడండి ఇక్కడ 5 into 2, 5 2s are 6, sorry 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10. Next again see here 3 by 15, 3 3s are 9, 5 3s are 15. Okay, next see here 12 by 20 now into 4, 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. If we cancel this number means what we will get? At last we will get the number 3 by 5 only. See here 6 and 10. These both numbers will be visible in which table? Yes, 2 table no? Yes. See here 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 2 5s are 10. What is the number here? 3 by 5. This is the 3 by 5. These both numbers are equal. And again see children 9 by 15. In which table? 9 and 15 both these two numbers are there. Yes. In which table? In 3 table. 3 3s are 9, 3 5s are 15. 3 by 5. 3 by 5. Next 12, 20. 12, 20 both two numbers are there in which table? 4 table. 4 3s are 12, 4 5s are 20. అంటే ఇప్పుడు మనం దీన్ని బట్టి మీకు ఏమర్థమైంది? మనం టేబుల్ని రాసి క్యాన్సిల్ చేస్తే ఈ నెంబర్సే వస్తాయి. ఓకే, వాట్ ఆర్ ద నెంబర్స్ హియర్? 3 by 5 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 6 by 10 ఈక్వల్ టు 9 by 15 ఈక్వల్స్ టు 12 by 20. Okay children, now see the next question. Second one, 1 by 18. Here I am writing again. 1 by 18 equals to 2 by 16 equals to 3 by 24 equals to 4 by 32. See children, this is a table. 1 1s are 1, 1 2s are 2, 1 3s are 3, 1 4s are 4, 8 1s are 8, 8 2s are 16, 8 3s are 24, 8 4s are 32. See the calculation. 1 by 8 equals to 2 by 16. I don't know. Yes. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16. Next 3 by 24. 3 1s are 3, 3 8s are how much? 24. Next, 4 by 32. 4 ones are 4, 4 eights are 32. Okay children, 1 by 8 equals to 2 by 16 equals to 3 by 24 equal to 4 by 32. Simply we have to write the 1 table here and 8 table here. Children, 8th one, fill in the place holes. Here we have to fill the numbers. See here 2 by 5. What I told is, yes, we have to write the table now. See, 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10. Again we have to come this here only. 2 3s are 6, 5 3s are 15. Next, 2 4s are 8, 5 4s are 20. Next, 2 5s are 10, 5 5s are 25. 4 by 10 equals to 6 by 15 equals to 8 by 20 equal to 10 by 25. Okay, now see children, first ఏంటి అనేది ఇక్కడ ఉంది కదా నెంబరు, అన్ని ప్రతిసారి కూడా మనం ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి కౌంట్ చేసుకోవాలి. 2 by 5 ఉంది కదా, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10, 5 1s are 5, 5 2s are 10, 5 3s are 15, 5 4s are 20, 5 5s are 25. Okay, now see the next second one. 3 5, 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 5 2s are 10, and again 3 3s are here 9, 5 3s are 15. Next, 3 4s are 12, 5 4s are 20. Next, see here, how many times? Here 1, here 1, 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. Here 15 is there, no? 15 means how many times? 3 5s are 15. Here also we have to multiply with 5 only. 2 into 5. 5 2s are 10. కింద ఏ నెంబర్ తో అయితే మనం మల్టిప్లై చేస్తామో పైన కూడా సేమ్ అదే నెంబర్ తోని మల్టిప్లై చేయాలి. ఓకేనా? 3 5s are 15. 5 2s are 10. Again see here children. What is this number? 12. How many times 12 in 2 table? 6 are. 2 6 are 12. And here also 6 into 6. 3 into 6. 3 6 are how much? Yes, 18. Next, 2 in 8. 8 is there here. In 2 table, how many times 8 is there? 2 4s are 8. Here also we have to write 4. 3 4s are 12. Children, see ma. ఫస్ట్ మనం కింద ఏ నెంబర్తో మల్టిప్లై చేస్తున్నామో పైన అదే నెంబర్తో చేయాలి. పైన ఏ నెంబర్తో చేస్తున్నామో కింద అదే నెంబర్తో చేయాలి. ఓకే children, our next topic is add the following. Now we are going to discuss about the additions. Add means additions. See the number here for example. These are the numbers. 4 by 10 plus 4 by 10. Plus means what we have to do here? Addition, no? See here. See the denominators. What are the denominators children here? Same denominator is, here is a 10 and here also the 10. If the denominator same means which fraction it is? Yes, very good. Like fraction. So here we have read only one 10 here. See, like this we have to write. Again, now what are the numerator number? Yes, 4. What is the symbol here? Plus. And what is the number here? 4. Total how much? 4 plus 4 by 10. Total what is this number? 4 plus 4 by 10. 4 plus 4 is equals to how much? 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. What is the denominator number? By 10. Now see children, what is the question? 4 by 10 plus 4 by 10 equals to, what we get answer? 8 by 10. Okay children? Children nana ela chesam ippudu addition kinda denominator lo same numbers unnai kabatti same ga oka number chesukovali. So here denominators are same, no? Just we have to write only one number. oka number chesukovali. Denominators ఇక్కడ 2 same gaనే ఉన్నాయి కాబట్టి ఒకేసారి 10 వేసుకోవాలి. వేసుకున్న తర్వాత ఇప్పుడు see the numerator numbers. What are the numbers here? 4 4. Here what is the symbol? Addition symbol. Now we are doing addition. now. Add the following now. So plus 4 plus 4. Here see the 4 and here symbol plus 4. Now see 4 plus 4 is equals to how much? Yes, we already know. 4 plus 4 is equals to 8. Denominator 10 is there. Yes, 8 by 10. Now at last we have to write the quotient. 4 by 10 plus 4 by 10 is equals to 8 by 10. Okay. Now see one more example, children. Here what are the denominator numbers? 5, 5. 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5. Now what we have to do? Solution time. At first we have to draw the fraction line and denominator which we have to write only one number now is 5. Next here 2. What is the symbol? Plus symbol is there. So write plus. 4 is there, but write here 4. Next 2 plus 4 is equals to how much? 2 plus 4 is equals to yes 6. By denominator number is 5. 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5 is equals to 6 by 5. Okay children, these are the addition. Here symbol plus symbol is there now. That's why we have to do the addition. Denominator is already same. So we have to write only one number. And again 2, 4 is there now. 2 plus 4. 2 plus 4 is equals to how much? 6. What is the denominator number? 6 by 5. Now 2 by 5 plus 4 by 5 is equals to 6 by 5. Okay, next one is subtract the following. Now what we are doing? Subtraction. We already know children very well subtractions. Now see the one example. Five by 6 minus 3 by 6. 5 by 6 minus means what we have to do here? Yes, minus means we have to do the subtract. 3 by 6. Okay, see the solution now. What is the denominator number? The denominator number is 6. So here we have to write the 6. Next, what is the numerator numbers? First one is 5. Again we have to keep the symbol. Now what is this symbol? Yes, minus symbol, subtraction symbol. Next one is 3. 5 minus 3 by 6. 5 minus 3 by 6. 5 minus 3 means how much? Take the 5 fingers and close 3. How many are there? 2. 2 by, what is this number? 6. 5 minus 3 by 6 equals to 2 by 6. See here, 5 by 6 minus 3 by 6 equals to 2 by 6. Okay children, did you follow it? For example, we will discuss. Okay children, see children here, 8 by 10 minus 2 by 10. Just for example, we are taking these two numbers. What are the two numbers here? 8 by 10 minus 2 by 10. What we have to do here is, just we have to draw the line, fraction line, and denominator number we have to write at first. Denominator number write. Afterwards, 8. What is the symbol here? Subtraction symbol is there now. Is minus 2. 8 minus 2 is equals to how much? 8 minus 2. Tell me. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 6 by 10. 8 by 10 minus 2 by 10 equals to 6 by 10. Addition చేసేటప్పుడు ఏమో ఇక్కడ ప్లస్ సింబల్ వేస్తాము. సబ్ట్రాక్షన్ చేసేటప్పుడు ఏం ఏ సింబల్ వేస్తాము? మైనస్ సింబల్ వేస్తాం. Same addition ki, subtraction ki process is same. First we have to write the denominator number. Afterwards we have to go through the numerator numbers and cancel the numerator number. 8 minus 2, 6 by 10. Now write the question. What is the answer? 6 by 10 right. 8 by 10 minus 2 by 10 equals to 6 by 10. Now see the textbook. Now the Roman number is. Okay, now 9th one, add the following. Here we have to do the addition. 4 by 13 plus 6 by 13. See here solution children. Here 13 now we have to write only one 13. Next 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 equals to 4 plus 6 how much? 10 by 13. Here denominators are same now. That's why I am writing only one time 13. What are the numerator? 4 plus 6. 4 plus 6 equals to 10 by 13. Next, second one. 8 by 9 plus 7 by 9. 9. 8 plus 7. 8 plus 7 is equals to how much? 8 after 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 15 by 9. Okay, 8 by 9 plus 7 by 9 equals to how much? 15 by 9. And next, 10th one, subtract. Here we have to do the subtractions. 11 by 12 minus 7 by 12. What are the denominator number here, children? S. 12. What are the numerator numbers? 11 minus 7. 11 minus 7 by 12. 11 minus 7 by 12. 7 after? 8, 9, 10, 11. How many figures are there here? S. 4 by 12. Next, 10 by 11 minus 2 by 11. See here, 10 minus 2 by 11. 10 minus 2 by 11. 10 minus 2 means how much? S. Very good. 8 by 11. See the subtractions once again I am telling children. 11 by 12 minus 7 by 12. Here what is the denominator number? 12 is there now? Yes, we have right 12. What are the numerator numbers are there? 11, 7. 11 minus 7. So total how much? 4 by 12. Next, 10 by 11 minus 2 by 11. Here what are the denominator number? Only 11 now? Yes, we have right only 11. What are the numerator here? 10 minus 2. What are the numerator? 10 minus 2. 10 minus 2 means how much? Yes, 8 by 11. Just once recall all the fractions. Like fraction. Now we are going to discuss about the like fraction. See here 1 by 4, 2 by 4, 3 by 4. Here the denominators are same. What are the denominator here? 4 is the denominator and the denominator is same means it is like fraction. See children, unlike fractions. Now we are going to discuss about unlike fraction. Already I told. See here 1 by 2, 2 by 3, 3 by 4. Here what is the denominator? The denominators are different. If the denominator is different means it is unlike fraction. See children, the first one is proper fraction. Proper fraction means the numerator is smaller than the denominator. See here 3 by 4 is the proper fraction. The second one is mixed fraction. A mixed number consists of a whole number and a fraction. Whole number and a fraction. Here 2, 3 by 5 is a mixed fraction. Here 2 is a whole number and 3 by 5 is the which one? Yes, it is a fraction. Here see the last one, improper fraction. What is mean by improper fraction children? Yes, a fraction in which the numerator is greater than the denominator. The numerator is greater than the denominator. Here how many types of fractions are there? 3 types. Proper fraction, improper fraction and mixed fraction. Okay, children, after the class, practice all the fractions definitions. Okay. Children must and should complete your classwork and send to my WhatsApp number. If you have any doubts, call me. I will clarify your doubts. Okay. Thank you. See you in the next class. God bless you, children.